Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're going to be making grilled chicken sandwiches with Firebee honey barbecue sauce. Let's get into it. So first thing we're going to do is, for the sides here, we're going to have potatoes, but we're going to do it fried on a flat top. So what we're going to do is, you can make them into wedges, but I've got these baby Yukons, and I'm going to slice them like this, kind of like what we would do for a scalloped potato, but a little bit thicker. And then we're gonna place that down on some really hot oil. It'll get browned and finished real quick. The reason I'm using the baby Yukons is because they're softer and should cook through. All right, so I've got my potatoes cut up, my tomatoes, my leaf lettuce, and my bun set aside. So let's throw in a breast. We'll do medium-high heat, olive oil, and then I'm just gonna do salt and pepper today. All right. Chicken breast. Then wash your hands after you handle chicken. All right, and these are getting cooked up pretty quick. All right, a little salt and pepper. All right, and on the other side, we've got a high heat with a lot of oil because we're essentially frying on the flat top. Be careful when you put everything down, or else gonna be splashing everywhere. And you'll want to keep a close eye on this stuff because it'll turn really quick. All right, and again, salt and pepper, pretty generous. You get these buns toasted off. I'm just gonna do 3. And these potatoes are going pretty quick. Yep, as you can see, they're browning on the other side already. Okay, so potatoes are about done and the chicken's about done. So we're gonna take our honey barbecue sauce from Firebee and we're gonna douse the chicken in it real quick. Flip it so it starts caramelizing on the other side. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right, potatoes are done, so I gotta pull those off. And then the chicken's almost done. We got a few more minutes on that, and then we'll get this sandwich constructed. All right, this is gonna be pretty simple. We're just gonna do bun, leaf lettuce, and tomato with the chicken, and a little bit of the barbecue sauce. That one's for sure done. A little bit more barbecue sauce, slash a lot of it more. And there you have it. That's our Firebee honey barbecue chicken sandwich. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe.